Hello children, I welcome you all to the next session of EVS 1 lesson number 6, that is variety in food. In the previous session we have learned about food grains and vegetables. Various preparations made from different types of food grains and vegetables and agriculture, etc. Today we are going to study the availability of fruits according to the seasons. Children, you must have often visited vegetable market with your parents. You must have seen local fruit sellers there. Based on whatever you have observed in these local fruit shops or stalls, let us answer a few questions. Question number 1. Which fruits are sold all year round? Apples, bananas, oranges, etc. Question number 2. Which fruits are not available in the rainy season? Mango, grapes, watermelon, strawberries, jackfruit, etc. Question number 3. Which fruits are sold in summer? Mango, apple, jackfruit, jambur, grapes, watermelon, etc. Question number 4. In which season are fruits available in plenty? Summer season. Question number 5. In which season do we get fewer fruits? Rainy season. It means that the availability of fruits varies according to the seasons. Different fruits are available in different seasons. These are known as seasonal fruits. Next, look at the picture shown on your screen. There are a variety of fruits that can be seen. Let us classify them according to the seasons in which they are available. In the table seen on your screen, now you can see this classification. Fruits available in summer season: jackfruits, apples, mangoes, jambuls, grapes, bananas, strawberries, watermelons, oranges, etc. Fruits available in the rainy season: apples, bananas, oranges, etc. Fruits available in winter season: guavas, apples, grapes, bananas, oranges, etc. Also, you have to include the names of fruits you know, even if they are not shown in the picture. Now, let us see the question given on page number 39 in your textbook. What's the solution? Irfan and Supriya bought potatoes because they were very cheap. But they are tired of eating potato bhaji. Suggest different preparations of potatoes to them. The different preparations of potatoes are potato vada, potato chips, potato thalipid, potato puri, potato cutlet, potato chivda, etc. Now you can see a map on your screen. Observe the map showing famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states given on page number 39 in your textbook. Let us classify some of these food items in the following table. We will first see the food items of the states adjoining Maharashtra. Chhattisgarh is famous for dal bafori. Main ingredients are chana dal, urad dal, spices, etc. Madhya Pradesh is famous for bafla lapshi. Main ingredients are rice, wheat, etc. Goa is famous for prawn curry. Main ingredients are prawns, spices, etc. Gujarat is famous for dhokla thepla. Main ingredients are wheat, besan, spices, etc. Karnataka is famous for appe, idli, dosa. Main ingredient is rice. Telangana is famous for kodi, kura, biryani. Main ingredient is rice. Now let us see some of the food items in Maharashtra. Kolhapur is famous for red white mutton gravy. Main ingredients are mutton, coconut, spices, etc. Ratnagiri is famous for modak. Main ingredients are rice, wheat, coconut. Nashik is famous for mande. Main ingredients are maida, sugar, coconut. Solapur is famous for peanut chutney. Main ingredient is peanut. Osmanabad is famous for dappati. Main ingredients are rice, chana dal, jowar, wheat, etc. Jalgaon is famous for brinjal bharit. Main ingredients are brinjal, onion, etc. It means that the main crop grown in any region is used to make various food items in that region. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region of Maharashtra. Hulda, lahaya, bhakri, घुगऱ्या, पापड, सांडगे, आंबील, dappate, dhirde, etc. are all preparations of jowar enjoyed in that region. In the Konkan region or the coastal regions of Maharashtra, rice, coconut and coconut oil are used on a large scale. In central Maharashtra, jowar, bajra, groundnut, soybean, sesame, mustard are more commonly used. This variety in crops is found in Maharashtra due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. Do you know, children, some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in a certain season are now available all year round? There are some reasons for this. They are availability of water throughout the year, availability of improved seeds, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world, faster transport facilities. A region's climate, soil and water and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. There is one question on page number 40 in your textbook. Use your brain power. Suppose you are not able to get food items made from jowar, bajra, wheat, rice and corn. Think of the food items that you will have to eat in that case. Make a list of such items. The answer is roots like potato, sweet potato, etc. Vegetables like cabbage, pumpkin, etc. Fruits like mango, banana, orange, etc. Milk, curd, buttermilk, etc. So children, in today's session we have learnt about the availability of fruits according to the seasons. Thank you.